Let me introduce the operating procedure of this instrument. First, we can see this is the main engine of the instrument. These are the keyboard, mouse, mousepad, holographic clip, holographic cable, power cord, adapter, and holographic manual. First, we connect the power cord and the adapter. We insert the round-holed end of the power cord into the corresponding round socket on the back of the instrument. After plugging it in, let's connect the keyboard and mouse. Now we're going to connect the holographic cord. Notice that our holographic wire comes in two variations, one with a larger head and one with a smaller head. After the hologram is plugged in, tighten the two screw knobs next to it. With that, the accessories are connected. After the accessory connection is completed, we click this little round switch on the left, power button. After power on, we will enter the login interface. Enter our login password here, lowercase abc123. Click to confirm. Upon entering the Smart Instruments software interface, let's click this Wi-Fi icon first. Connect to the network. After the network connection is successful, we can now start entering your personal information to proceed with the assessment. After the client has filled out their basic information, we select the corresponding detection mode. Click 2 TDs. Then, you can have the client place their hands on the panel. Click to start detection. Let me introduce another detection mode, OIA. After the customer has finished entering their basic personal information, let's connect the accessories. You can see the holographic lines are distinguished by both numbers and colors. V1 and V2, insert two small holographic clips. V3 and V4, insert two large holographic clips. We clip V1 on the wrist of the left hand. Clamp V4 at the elbow of the left hand. Clip V2 on the wrist of the right hand. Clip the V3 at the elbow of the right hand. After clipping, we click to start testing. After the progress bar of the test is completed, then we can remove the clip from the client's hand. Let me read this report. This is the personal information provided by the client. Here are the percentages for the 8 major healthy circulatory systems. The higher the percent, the better his health is. Here is a Peer Stage Health Index score. This score represents the overall score for the entire report. Below, we can see, this side is the moisture and blood stasis of the traditional Chinese medicine plate. We can view the client's specific indices for dampness and blood stasis. Corresponding to this, a simple explanation will also be made here. If you scroll down, you can see the constitution and internal organs attributes. It provides a simple descriptive characterization based on the attributes measured by the client. Further down is the key and blood plate. Items highlighted in yellow indicate anomalies. Any items exhibiting anomalies will be accompanied here by a description of their characteristic features. Here is also a simple explanation. And down there is the meridian plate. Items marked yellow on the meridian plate represents an item with an exception if there is an abnormal project. It will provide an explanation here. Tell you what symptoms this meridian is prone to causing. There will also be an explanation of pictures here. The above is all the Chinese medicine sector. Next, let's look at the Western medicine sector. This is the system. This is the test items. This is the normal range. Here is the actual measurement value of the customer. Let's focus on this project marked in red. If any abnormality is detected, we will provide a simple risk alert. The white section shows the medical explanation. The yellow section provides conditioning suggestions for the abnormal items. For the Western medicine section, we just need to focus on the abnormal indexes marked in red. Scroll down, and we can see. At the end of the report, there are dietary advice, exercise advice, and recuperation advice. After explaining the report to the client, we can just click End. If the client requires a mobile-optimized report, we ask customers to open the scan feature on their mobile phones. Scan this QR code. Click to download. After successful download, click Open on your phone. You can see this report. If the customer needs to view the report we just sent, we click Next. There is a magnifying glass icon on the far right of this file. Click on it to select the file that the customer needs to see. Click to enter, and you can see this client file. If the customer needs a second re-inspection, we directly click on the next step. Find the customer's record on the archive interface. You can search in this place. After searching, double-click on his file. His information will be automatically filled in this input box. Then you can do the test normally.